You know, Basalabaka, one thing about internet can either break you or make you. Internet can either break you or make you, guys. If you guys do remember Nobangela is a young man who go in the video Dominic, bashing the way Dominic was going on event DJ, which was a lay stress with a G-string, guys. I thought I didn't see anything wrong. I mean, I feel like a lot of people they see anything wrong, but then he was brave enough, or he felt like he's brave enough with ayenze video bashing uDominic wathi makamkhola into order. A lot of people bamfaka umoya bampompa uthi you are a man for standing up against uDominic. Remember guys, uDominic, everyone ophusha uDominic udila naye ngengalo yomthetho. One thing I love about uDominic, uzokubophisa and to show that law is protecting abantu base South Africa, just that we don't know more about law. That's why we felt like uDominic uyibhuli. uDominic akasiyibhuli because if bakayibhuli, I don't think ukuthi umthetho bozomvumela yenze lento ayenzayo. uDominic akastrike company ngaphandle athi uqoshwe. uDominic yena self ubhalela email, then company ibheka umthetho wecompany yakhona, then bayakuqosha. So guys, let me just post video ka Nobangela ayipostile and I'll come back.
Listen, if you're ever having a bad day, just remember that in 2024, I made a video about a particular influencer while promoting a sneaker brand. Now, the video was considered homophobic, so I got sued for 45,000 rands and I also caught a case. Eventually, the whole thing died down and we all just carried on with our lives. Now, fast forward 2026, January, I got accepted into every university that I have applied to, and then I got locked up and thrown in jail. So during the registration process, there were a few things that I needed to provide, certified copies of IDs, certified this and that. So I went to the police station and certified all my stuff without any problems. Now here's where things get tricky. Amongst the things that they asked for was a police clearance and a National Child Protection Register clearance. So for those who didn't know, if you're gonna take up courses like teaching, social work, psychology, it means you're gonna work with children. So a National Child Protection Register is basically a list of sex offenders and child molesters. So you'll need a clearance, a paper that shows that you are not part of that list. Well, I'm not a child molester, so that shouldn't be an issue. So I went to the police station to try and get the clearance. They sent me to some other offices, and when I got there, they gave me something called Form 7 and told me that I will attach it with the police clearance when I get the police clearance. So now I'm back at the police station trying to get this police clearance. One step closer to finishing my application, right? Wrong. So I'm there explaining like, yo, my college application needs a police clearance. Can you hook me up? No, that's very easy. A police clearance is just something that shows that you've never had any run-ins with the law. I'm like, sweet. I've never had any run-ins with the law. So she typed something into her computer and then looked up at me and said, you have something attached to your name. So naturally, I'm confused, like, what could be attached to my name? She says it's something about body shaming and 45,000 rands. God damn, bro. That was a thing from like back in 2024. And then she explains how the case was now back in motion, and I didn't know all this because I've been off social since matric final exams. So I rush home, installing my apps, trying to see what's going on. I see messages. Dr. Matthew talking about, hey, do you need a lawyer? Because I'm a qualified lawyer, best one in town. Goku's Kotean is like, hey, what's up? What's going on? Are you good? Are you still safe? Kanyimba, everyone. So long story short, boom, got arrested. It's been 4 months. I'm back now. So where were we? Now, unfortunately, I cannot provide any explicit information, but hey, criminal record, no school for the next 5 years. So if you're having a bad day, come on. It couldn't be that.
So uNobangela is basically saying he has a criminal record. Yabona omunye umuntu vele la ngasho athi ya criminal record into encane wade yasuka. Guys, buza abantu abake baboshwa. Even nale story sokuthi after 5 years criminal record yasuka. Akusiyinto nje efana nephupho. Kwamanye abantu ayisuki futhi nje nokuthi uzuyisusa ngale criminal record after even 10 years. It takes time. Just imagine if future yakho seyiwele emanzini uthi the guy, this small boy, uthi he was accepted kuyo yonke university beka apply kuyo, shows ukuthi ama marks wakhe he has good marks. Then ama-university required police clearance yabuya yathi no, wena papa you have a criminal record. Cabanga into yenzeke 2024, into bangayenza lo mntana ukuthi acolise, and abantu they were hyping him about Dr. Matthew Gogo Skhotheni, and abantu were using this young man to fight with Dominic because abantu abadala abanayo uqina or ubudoda or ubufazi bokubalwa noDominic. They were using this young man because what this young man did was wrong, guys. Yes, ikhona into uthi ubona ku-social kodwa lo muntu lo indlela agcoke ngayo mina ngeke ngizigcoke ngayo. Kodwa remember, wena ngeke uzigcoke ngayo. You don't have any right ukuthi uye kuma-social ubhulishe umuntu uthi indlela agcoke ngayo. Remember, you are a man. That was homophobic. Uyazazi uDominic ukuthi uzalawo mfana, and i-decision yakhe and i-choice yakhe ukuthi abe yi-gay. Akekho umuntu ongena ndawo, guys. They just need to stop being homophobic. And I felt that thing, it opened a lot of can of worms for Dominic, because abantu abaningi okudala abacupha uDominic, abantu abadala who have their own issues with Dominic, they were celebrating that thing. Gogo Skhotheni, look at there. Uthi uGogo Skhotheni umbuzile ukuthi zikhiphani. The only person who offered help there uDr. Matthew. Matthew ke yaskis, guys, akasiso doctor. But Matthew, the only adult who offered help. Matthew, abantu they were busy DMing uNobangela just because they were hyping this young man and showing this young man what they are doing is right, but they were afraid to tell Dominic and what this young man is doing is right. Abantu they were creating content about this situation. Now umntana usenkingeni one, umntana yakasaya esikolweni uyi-one ebishini. Noma ngaba ngathola isikole yenzeni because umntana uzodlala ne-criminal record, and guys, criminal record ivalelana endaweni eningi. Nje for instance ka-government, it's very difficult ukuthi ka-government uthole if you have a criminal record. Cabanga for into owayisho on social media uchaza abantu, you didn't even get paid for that thing. Ngcono ngabe wayisho ku-Facebook or ku-YouTube besosho ukuthi ayike mhlawumbe ukhwayile amasentanyana ngoba your video shemena it was getting views. Maybe YouTube manje ngabe uhamba kubo 1 million. Maybe utholile nyana amasentanyana ukuthi ukuphefumula. TikTok doesn't even pay you. TikTok doesn't even pay you, and then no brand will work nomuntu homophobic. Angithi wena ama-brand azosebenza nawe kanjani? Because ama-brand angakwazi ukusebenza even nomuntu who's standing up for ama-rights wakhe. They don't want to work with that person. Abafuna ukusebenza nomuntu omela iqiniso le-country. They don't want to work with that person. Bazosebenza nawe kanjani ukuthiwa uhomophobic? Remember, LGBTQ community that time bebakwatile. I remember uSomizi made a video asho ukuthi indlela lo mfana yesho ngakhona it's wrong. Yes, uzumisa umsindo omningi lento besho umfana, but abantu abaningi they were hyping this young man. Now they were nowhere to be found ukuthi basiza umntwana. Anyway, nosizo labanye lisamsiza nganext umntwana ngoba into emele bayenze mhlawumbe the least that they can do now ukuthi bambhadalele i-lawyer. Angazi ukuthi ke kuzoyakhonakala ukuthi masowuqalile when you are being charged, then ama-fingerprint akho, I don't know ukuthi ihamba kanjani process. But the only thing manje ukuthi manje bamsize ngayo abantu those were hyping him ukuthi bamhlanganisele bamthole a strong lawyer. Cabanga sekabuyi kolala phakathi umntana omncane kanje. Abantu base-South Africa basile ni use umntana omncane for ukuthi nilize impilo zenu. Mncane lo mntwana, mncane. Yes, le nto bekayisho back then mhlawumbe bakazitshela ukuthi yeah man. And I remember abantu abaningi they were hyping him. uDominic lokhu asho ukuthi you cannot promote your sneaker brand ngegama lami. You cannot do that. Apologize. Azanga apologize. Take down the video. Azangavuma ukutake down the video. He took the video later. I remember ngabheka advertiser i-Converse or something. Sekacela leyo Converse ukuthi hayibo take down the video because we have nothing to do with you. You are not working for us. We understand. Bomela sathi video they apologize, we move. Ayenzi video apologize, we move. And ezinye izinto guys, you can believe in them. Yes. But you don't have ukuthi uyenze video. Ezinye izinto ungabona ukuthi ezingisho ukuthi ungabona mhlawumbe manje uhlangane maybe noSomizi agcoke maybe it is string. I'm just making an example. Uhlangane noSomizi, then you feel like, or even intombazane maybe ubona about this person half naked. Uthi mina wena ngithi wena uthi wena ayilento egcokile i-wrong kuwe, then you feel ngathi wena what ayenze wena ngeke uyenze. But that doesn't mean yena ngeke ayenze, and that doesn't mean ukuthi wena if awuyenze omunye umuntu akumelanga ayenze. This is a free country, guys. uDominic bangasukeli umuntu lapha beka perform. We are used to ukuthi sibukela abantu ba perform half naked abantu bathule. abantu abantu bagcoka into esingayazi ukuthi sizoyithini. Abantu bathule just because it was uDominic and she knew this young man ukuthi makhuluma ngale video abantu abaningi bazokhuluma. Wayenza ubuhleva. Ukuphi manje? Future down the drain. Ile nto sisho ukuthi ubona umuntu akhomenta ngaphandle makasuswe emhlabeni. Because I understand ukuthi mangabe umuntu awumfuni waye ungamblock uloku ukhomenta nento eyisindayo. Uyanilungisa uDominic angifuni camamanga. Uyanilungisa. Nenza chocho. Bathathe domdom. Guys, that is all for now. Please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.